How to fix failed to send messages to a group chat in Teams. 1. Check network connection. 2. Log out and log in back into Teams. 3. Verify group membership. Here are a few ways to verify group membership in Microsoft Teams. Go to the team you want to check and click on the Members tab. This will show all members of that particular team. If you want to see what groups a user is a member of, go to the user's profile and click on the 3 dots next to their name. Select View Profile and go to the Membership tab. This shows all Microsoft 365 groups they are a member of. Use PowerShell to get group membership. Connect to Exchange Online with Connect Exchange Online and run PowerShell get user username select name, recipient type details. This will display the Microsoft 365 groups the user is part of. Use the Microsoft Graph API to retrieve group membership programmatically. Make a GET request to https://graph.microsoft.com/v1.0/user/user ID/member of. In the Microsoft Teams Admin Center, go to Users Manage Users, select a user member of. This shows group membership. Download a user audit log and filter by Add Member to Group Events. Checking group membership in these ways can help verify who has access and troubleshoot any issues with missing team membership. 4. Clear Teams cache data at c/users/username/appdata/roaming/Microsoft. 5. Contact admin.